Hello everyone, my name is Eric Mungech. I am the CEO Pull Up from Poverty Incorporation Kenya. It is my great pleasure to take this opportunity to share with you what actually is Pull Up from Poverty Incorporation Kenya and the progress, the developments and the experiences and most so achievements that we've been managed to get through to make the human life better. Just to begin with, Pull Up from Poverty is a community-based organization. Our main intention, and it's an non-governmental, non-profit making, and our main vision is to make a better living for the community that we serve. Currently, we are serving 10 locations in Kenya, that is Western Kenya, and out of the 10 locations, we have both widows and orphans who we support in various needs. We support them with basic necessities. Some of the orphans, we offer scholarships to them. Some of the widows, we manage to raise them to higher levels because we also provide them with soft loans. When I talk of soft loans, we started these actually some year back, that was 2009. It's never been easy because the system that we've been using, the system that we incorporated was the Grameen Bank system. And at the beginning, it was not easy because getting used to the system and also the community here, the perception and the way everything was received was a bit challenging. But with time, they learned of the benefits and the profitability and the changes that this actually has made them go through. And I can say that it's been successful in so much ways. I want to say that as at now, we have 200 widows and we have 600 orphans. Out of the 200 widows, we have 83 women who we give soft loans. The Grameen Bank system is a system that works in a very, very credible with sense of accountability and transparency in it, because we realize that out of these women, they form a group of 5. Out of the 5, we select the first 2, we give them a loan, and it's upon them to repay the loan for the rest 3 who are in the same group to get the next loan. So it's kind of a collateral. They have to repay the loan for the others to get also the loan. And this actually has been so much welcome. Things have been so well. The ladies are doing their businesses, things are thriving, and everything else is moving on well. It's never been easy when we started this because we've been facing a lot of challenges, most of funds. We've not been able to get the funds to support the orphans. We realize that we have a lot of orphans, 600 orphans. They need food, they need clothes, they need basic necessities, sanitary pads. So the funds actually, we've been trying our level best, and I want to say that we are grateful to God because we've managed to get other stakeholders who have come in, and they've given us much more support, and we thank God for that. We've also managed to get other stakeholders who are also interested in community development. They've managed to dig us a well. So Pull Up from Poverty has managed to put up a well. It's doing good. It's serving the community. The well has actually changed lives for so many here, and as of now, the community is very much happy about it. We have several projections, and one of our major projections is that we get a bus that will offer transport services to our people, and these transport services will be offered at a cost. Transporting people from one destination to the other. These funds that we get, profits that we get from the transport services will be saved, and they'll be used in our systems so that they can also support some of our developments that we want to put, because we have a projection of putting up a ranch, putting up a poultry, putting up poultry houses. We're also interested in putting up more wells. And to realize that even taking care of our orphans, it actually needs a lot. So that is the better projection that we have in future, and plans are underway. I believe, God willing, things will be seen through. And just as a closing remark, I would say that a rich man is not judged by the amount of money he has in the bank, but it is judged by his heart, the heart to give and the heart to share with the community. So many people never believed that we could get to this level, but I want to say that up to now, things have actually undergone so much transformation, and the community here is great. The ladies are so great, and everything else is thriving so well. We serve every lady. We serve the ladies in the 10 locations that we do go to. Each location has about 50, 30 ladies who actually benefit from our work, and it is my pleasure and gratitude to say that things are well, and we are praying for God so that we may have a better future for the community. May God bless you. Thank you so much. Be blessed.